Friends, all the techniques that we will see in segment 1 are specific techniques that can be specifically used for a particular combination of numbers. Suppose there is a technique on how to square numbers ending with 5. Now this technique can only be used for squaring numbers ending with 5. It cannot be used for any other type of numbers. We saw a technique on how to multiply numbers with a series of 1. This technique can only be used for multiplication of numbers with a series of 1. Of course, in Vedic math we have generic techniques also that can be used for any combination of numbers. But those techniques we will be looking from segment 2 onwards. All the techniques in segment 1 are specific techniques which can only be used for particular combination of numbers. So next, friends, we will see how to multiply numbers with a series of 9. We saw technique where you multiply number with a series of 1. Now we will see how to multiply numbers with a series of 9. So this includes numbers like 99, 999, 9999, 99,999 and so on. All these techniques are given in the first chapter of my book Vedic Mathematics Made Easy. There are 3 cases in this. First, equal. Second, higher. Third, lower. Equal, higher, lower. We'll call them case A, case B, case C. Let us have a look at examples of all the 3 cases. First case, I will teach you how to multiply numbers where they are equal. Let us see how this is done. So, in case A, friends, we will see equal. Let me tell you what I mean by equal. Suppose I have to multiply, say, 732 by 999. Or say, friends, I have to multiply 8889 by 9999. Let us see how we get the answer. Here also we have a series of 9. Here also we have a series of 9. When I say equal, I mean howsoever many digits are above, that many 9s are below. So here I have 3 numbers and 3 9s. Therefore it is equal. Here you can see I have 4 numbers and 4 9s. Therefore again it is equal. Let us see how to get the answers of such questions. Now friends, ask yourself, what is this number minus 1? We know 732, I have to remove 1. 732 minus 1 is 731. Similarly, ask yourself, what is this number minus 1? We know 8889, I subtract 1 and write down. 8889 minus 1 is 8888. And next what you have to do is, you have to subtract each of these digits from 9 and write down. 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 1 is 8. My final answer is 731268. You see, this is our final answer. 732 multiplied by 999 is 731268. Similarly, all these numbers will be removed from 9 and written down. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1. So my final answer in this case is 88881111. Let me revise the technique for you. Here I am multiplying 732 by 999. Here I am multiplying 8889 by 9999. So there are 3 numbers, 3 9s, therefore equal. 4 numbers, 4 9s, therefore equal. From this number I subtract 1 and write down. 732 minus 1 is 731 and 8889 minus 1 is 8888. Next friends, I subtract each digit from 9 and write down. 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 1 is 8. My final answer is 731268. And in the second example, subtract each of these 8s from 9 and write down. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1. My final answer is 88881111. Friends, we saw case A where there were equal numbers and 9s. Now we will see case B where there will be less numbers and more 9s. Let us see how to solve such questions. Suppose I have to multiply, say, 65 by 999, or say I have to multiply 194 by 9999. So, 2 digits but 3 9s. Less numbers, more 9s. That means 9s are more. 3 digits, 4 9s. 9s are more. So, this will fall in case B. Now, you have to do nothing extraordinary. Very simple. There are 2 numbers but 3 9s. So, we need one more number over here. What I do is I simply put a 0. Again, see what is the difference? There are 3 digits and 4 numbers. So, I simply put a 0. So, now we have 3 digits, 3 9s, 4 digits, 4 9s. You can put as many zeros as you want to make both these equal. Now, we will use the same technique that we just saw. From this number, subtract 1 and write down. 065 minus 1 is 064. And next, subtract each digit from 9 and write down. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. And in this case, we will follow the same logic. 0194 minus 1 is 0193. And then we subtract each digit from 9 and write down. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. So my final answer in the first case is 064935, or simply 64935, and my final answer in the second case is 01939806, or simply 1939806. So you see how quickly we got the answer. Friends, we saw case A where there were equal numbers, equal 9s. We saw case B where there were less numbers, more 9s. Now let us see case C where there are more numbers and less 9s. Pay attention. In Vedic math, there is no specific technique for this. Yes, there is a technique of base method which we can use in this case, which you will see further down as the course progresses. But as of now, we can also use the general technique of multiplication to make it faster. Let us see how that is done. Suppose I have to multiply, say, 205 by 99. We have a series of 9 here, so it falls in this case. And also, there are more numbers and less 9s. That means it will fall in case C. Let us see how we get the answer. In this case, you can simply use the general mathematical aptitude that we use. Instead of 99, you can take 100 minus 1. So, first we will multiply 205 times 100, and from that answer we will subtract 205 times 1. So 205 multiplied by 100 is very simple. Just put 2 zeros behind this. So it becomes 20,500. And then from that we subtract 205 times 1. 205. And then we get the answer. Very simple. From 0 you cannot have 5. So we'll ask here, cannot give, ask here. So again carry over and passing will take place. 5 will give here, it will become 4 over here, 10 over here. 10 will give here, it will become 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 0 is 9, 4 minus 2 is 2, 0 comes as 0, 2 comes as 2. My final answer is 20,295. This is the general technique that we use in Vedic maths, and when you see base method, you will see more examples of this type.